we're going to balance a chemical equation involving potassium hydroxide and sulfuric acid. Let's start by looking at our initial unbalanced equation. Our initial equation is KOH plus H2SO4 yields K2SO4 plus H2O. As we can see, this equation is not balanced. Let's go through the steps to balance it. Let's start by balancing the potassium atoms. There are 2 potassium atoms in K2SO4 on the right side, but only one on the left side in KOH. To balance this, we need to add a coefficient of 2 in front of KOH. Next, let's check the sulfur atoms. The sulfur atoms are already balanced. Now, let's count the oxygen atoms. On the left, we have 6. On the right, we have 5. This imbalance will be addressed after balancing hydrogen. Let's balance the hydrogen atoms. On the left, we have 4. On the right, we have 2. To balance, we add a coefficient of 2 in front of H2O. Now, let's recheck the oxygen. We have 6 on both sides. The equation is balanced. Our final balanced equation is 2 KOH plus H2SO4 yields K2SO4 plus 2H2O. And that's how we balance a chemical equation. Remember, the key is to make sure the number of each type of atom is the same on both sides of the arrow.